Hi, Jason here from TGN. Alright, so today I have a new box that I just got from one of the NAS vendors. Alright, and it's a very unique product. Okay, so this is what we have here. Let me open it up and show it to you guys. Okay, I'm going to cut it open, tear it up. Okay, you can see it's packed very nicely. Okay, that's all this. Alright. Aside. Right, let's take a look. See what I have here? Alright, I've got the latest 10G router from QNAP. It has Wi-Fi 6 built in. Alright, so this is the QHora-301W. Okay, and I'm going to do the unboxing so we can see what's inside. So this is on the front. Basically on the front it states all the various functions and features, and this has SD-WAN, okay, software defined network inside, where you can choose and allocate what you want to do with the various ports. Okay, and at the back it basically shows you an image of the device. Okay, and you can see how many ports it has here, how many 10G ports. Okay, so this has 10G ports built in, and you can see it here. And it also has USB ports. We will definitely do some kind of testing to see how it will work out to be. All right, and then we have all the rest of the functions and features that is come together with the router. Okay, so without much ado, let me open it up. Okay, I'm going to open up the box. Okay, very excited. It's the first time. Alright, so over here we have the router itself. Okay, let me open up, show it to you. Okay. Right, from the first look, the feel is very solid, it's very heavy, okay, and the air fans are very well built, and this is made in China. Okay, so you have your two 10G WANs, okay, RJ45, two USB 3, okay, and then the on-off switch, power here, and 4 gigabit LAN ports. Right, and the best part about this router, it comes with Wi-Fi 6. All right, so it's Wi-Fi 6 ready. Okay, and we will definitely test the performance of the Wi-Fi 6. Okay, the quick user guide. It comes even with a let me check. Yeah, this is a Cat 6 cable. Okay, it comes with a Cat 6 cable. Okay, and in my case, me being in Singapore, they have given me a attached a UK power plug. All right, and this has, let me see how many volts. 12 volts, 3.33 ampere. All right. So basically, this rounds up the unboxing of the QNAP QHora-301W. All right. Remember, it's Wi-Fi 6. Do look forward to our next video on what we're going to do with the WANs and how we're going to look at all the functions and features. Thank you.